The book of М.Е.Николаева, the first president of the Republic of Sаха, Yakutия, I Choose Freedom and the Rights of Man, appeared just a year after М.Е.Николаева had been elected to this post. What does 1 year mean for history? It seems like nothing, just a grain of sand. But for the people of Yakutia, this year has become a turning point, a year from which the birth of a new free Yakutia can be measured. And this is why, reciting Pat's lines, we can say that this book is many heavy volumes. The title of the book is really symbolic. It contains a deep meaning hidden in every word that forms the title. No wonder it begins with the pronoun I. And although the book tells us about many processes affecting the fate of all Yakutians, it is also very personal, revealing the thoughts of a man who was aware of his responsibility for all the inhabitants of Yakutia. For too long, the residents of the Republic have been suffering so much and have lost a lot in the name of amorphous common interests. And the pronoun I at the beginning is the finally one sovereignty of personal interests, the interests of every Yakutian. Undoubtedly, what comes next is significant. I choose. This seems to emphasize the fact that finally residents of our native land can take their independent decision. Uncontested elections and devoid of meaning are finally things of the past, giving each of us the opportunity to make our own, perhaps not similar to others, but our own personal choices. And of course, the word freedom. It was the freedom that became the cornerstone on which the key values of the new Yakutia began to be formed. On the page of his book, М.Е.Николаева writes that no matter what happens, we are all Yakutians and we are all Russians, thereby emphasizing the common destiny for both the Republic of Saha and the Russian Federation. Since only with a united front can we overcome all troubles. And don't let it seem that one more word from the title of М.Е.Николаев's book has been forgotten. Along with freedom, the author also chooses a man. This is symbolic since it is a person, his thoughts and actions. It is in the interest of the individual, not the state, that something new should be created, be it a new factory, a pit, or a new book, a painting by an artist. It is the person who should be at the forefront of any action. More than 30 years separate us from the time of the book's publication, but the book is still relevant. It is wonderful that the legacy of the first president of the Republic of Saha is alive. Returning again and again to these wise words, we choose freedom and the rights of man, seek and find the past and the present, and create the future for ourselves and the residents of Yakutia. Thank you.